Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So, I thought I'd come on here and just let you guys know what we are planning to do with our channel. Um, we're probably gonna sit down and do a video, but just a little. I thought I'd come on and just paint a little bit and see how you guys are doing. So, uh, we're gonna start for the channel. We're gonna start I don't want to say segment, but a few times a month we're gonna do tips, and sometimes they might be art tips, they might be life hacks tips, they might be cooking, it might be anything, and we are calling it just a tip. Just so you guys know when the video comes up, it's a tip. It's not anything specific. Um, I'll still be doing art videos and reviews, and he'll be doing reviews, and we'll be doing all kinds of stuff. We're just gonna make it like a lifestyle channel. But I know I have my base is art, and I love doing art, and I haven't done art in so long, and so I figured, I'm sorry, I have a cold. Of course, I'm gonna still be doing art videos and stuff in between. Um, my art room has now turned into my foster room for animals. And for the past, geez, I mean, if you follow me on Facebook or anything like that, you guys have seen the puppies. My first puppy was a little black, geez, it's a pit bull. She's a pit bull mix. And we fell in love with her, and she just melded into the family. So we were foster fail with that one. The second month we did it, we had two beautiful shepherd mixes that were without their mother. Um, and the mother went to another foster home, and they were just absolutely delicious. They were two of them, so sweet. They both got adopted out. And I know I would keep all of them. The third month was, at the last second, I was asked to take in a dog that had been found wandering in the woods. And when they took it to the rescue, the shelter, or what have you, it started having babies. She started having babies, and she had 9 of them. So I took her and her 9 babies. They were a day old. And unfortunately, the runt of the litter, I hate calling the runt of the litter, but we had lost him. Um, and we were just heartbroken. It was just god awful. But we had 8 left. And they were just delightful to have from to watch them grow from the first day until, now. I'm very lucky. I keep in touch with a lot of the families who have adopted. I get to see the pictures every once in a while and all that kind of thing, which I love. Unfortunately, one of the puppies were adopted out. I get to choose, Dave and I get to meet them and kind of choose who we feel goes with the dogs, puppies, and that kind of thing. And we've had wonderful luck. However, in this last group of these puppies, somebody had adopted, really nice family, and decided they had never had a puppy before, animals before. So it was a lot of work, and it was really hard for them. So we decided, she decided to return her, Lucy, and we got her back. And she's just delightful. She's wonderful. And Dave, of course, fell in love with her. And so we decided to adopt her. And me, Dave and I enable each other so easily, but it's like I didn't want her to, she was born, she was brought here, she was then adopted, gone to somebody else, and then there for a few weeks, and then brought back here. I didn't want her to have to go to another home. And neither did he, and he fell in love with her. And she gets along with the dogs, even Luther, who is a maniac. He doesn't like us bringing other animals in. So we decided to adopt her as well. We're done adopting. But anyway, long story short, my art room has now turned into the dog foster room. And so Dave's been helping me since we're without puppies right now for another week, I believe. Um, getting in order and getting my camera up because the puppies really just destroyed my, oh gosh, underneath my desk, my computer. I don't know what the heck they did. And it's, they aren't left out, but, we let them run and you can't watch all of them and, stuff happens. So anyway, it's all fixed, nothing major. And so now I'm just trying to get my little recording station back and get organized a little bit. So yeah. So whoopee, right? Trying to think what else. And Dave's going to be, like I said, he's going to be doing his book reviews and his paintings and just all kinds of stuff we just want to do. We haven't been really up to much other than the fostering, and I'm sure some of you know, that my daughter was very ill and in the hospital. My daughter Emily and everything like that. So she's out now, and she's recovering day by day, and she's doing good. She's back to doing her YouTube videos, which she's doing book reviews and her makeup. So I would love, love, love and appreciate if you guys would go over there and watch one of her videos and leave her a comment. That would mean the world to me. I will link her down below. I know a lot of you, or some of you, have subscribed to her, but please, that would just mean the world to me. And if you have anybody in your family who likes to read or does makeup or wants to learn makeup or start makeup, please send them over to her channel, because she really does a good job, and she's really struggling lately with self-doubt and, like we all do. I've been obsessed with the iPad. I've been drawing and learning it and teaching myself how to draw hands better, and just trying to use it as a tool to make me a better painter. Having the RA and the fibro and all makes my brain not work, and the medicine, and it gets hard, and I forget things, and I'm not as good as I used to be, and that kind of thing, and I'm a little wacky, so more than usual. So I've been, just trying to do that when I'm having a bad day and can't move much. Yeah, and I'm just ready to get back to throwing paint. I miss it. I miss drawing and doing my paintings, and I miss making jewelry, and I miss doing the fluid art and all the things. So those are things I will be doing. And like I said, him and I will be doing a video soon, talking about what we want to do. And anything that you guys want us to do or talk about or whatever, let me know down below. We're not very exciting people. We like to go thrifting. We like to do art. He likes to do art. We read. We cook. We have our animals, that kind of thing. So if you guys are interested, when I get my next foster puppies, I'll record, when I get them, and record them and that kind of thing. I believe their shepherd mixes as well coming in. I think I'm getting 5, 6, I can't remember. Anyway, so yeah, so this is the painting that I have been doing, and from a long time ago. And what I did, which I did a tip about this, but very quickly, I have my base here, and I did my light color, and I threw down clear gesso, and I let it dry. And you can hear the texture and all that, which really helps when you're using your, if you're using a graphite or, even things that are water soluble and that kind of stuff, that helps. But when I love putting the coat of paint down on the face and then clear gessoing it, because now I can go over and add more and, maybe put a few shadows in or whatever, just so the face isn't as flat. Sometimes I love painting it flat. Oh, that's the other thing I want to tell you. I've gotten, and I know a lot of you aren't going to like this, but I've gotten so many questions about my, how I practice being a witch and things I do, and spells and all these things. And although I'm not going to make that the main of my channel, And I will put things in the title, so if you're not interested, you don't have to watch it. But I will be doing much more of those kind of things. I've gotten I've gotten as many questions about that as I do about painting and all kinds of stuff. You guys know I love saving money and doing at-home things, Dollar Tree things, dollar store things, throwaway, like all that kind of stuff. And I do that in my witchiness as well. So I'll be doing that as well. And I know a lot of you unsub from me because of that, and that's fine. You can, you don't have to believe in that or support me in that or anything like that. I want us to try live streams again. I just want to try to get back into life. I've been out of it for so long, and so yeah. So yeah, so that's basically it. I probably I was gonna paint, but then I'm sitting here and I'm like, oh, I feel weird, coming on and talking about all these things. But I'm excited. I wanna be able to do these things again and just do my videos. So I hope you guys are all well. Still staying safe, because COVID's still out there. I'm sure a lot of us now are already, got our needles and stuff like that. I know a lot of people don't believe in that, and I think that you're absolutely right. So I just hope we all stay safe and healthy, and let me know. Let me know what you look forward to down below. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. It's really all I got right now. I just wanted to give you guys an update, and I wanted to paint, but I don't know. Me updating you isn't the same as me just sitting and painting. So that's it. I love you guys. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I will see you in my next video, and which I'm going to hope to get done tomorrow. And yeah, have a blessed day, guys. Bye.